Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do these wings, very organic shape. So really what I'm looking at, top of the wings, there's this angle, and then it swoops down, and I'm really looking at how far. Is it a sharp curve so it looks like a half circle? Is it slight like this? And then the end wing angle here. And so I'm lightly going to just outline where the wings are. And I really want to pay attention to where they come in, and then there's the smaller section of wing. It's not even half, okay? It's maybe a third, I don't know. That would be 2/3, maybe bottom third. So kind of pay attention to that. Then there's rows of wings. I've got one row of wings come here and here, and then there's a second row of wings that I can see slightly back here, but I don't see it down here. So 2 rows back here, 3 rows here, and then there's this really shallow, okay? And really, after that, it's quite easy. And then you're just going to go, and I would take my kneaded eraser and just erase these lines so they're not dark. So I can barely see them. They're just as a guide, because I don't want to see them when I'm done. And then I'm not going to count and make it exact compared to the drawing and say, okay, there's 17 feathers on this, and then this row has that many. I'm just going to draw random feathers. Now, I would probably start closer, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to move quite fast, so you can make your feathers look way better than I'm going to make my feathers look. And I want to curve this, so this row of feathers I would go next. And then this row of feathers, it's easier to draw behind than erase and draw in front, and then have to erase and draw in front, if that makes sense. So, see, I'd have to erase this. It's kind of a pain. So now I'm going to start individualizing these feathers. And again, I'm moving fast. And then I've got this third row, and these are big, bold, beautiful feathers. And then I'd go back and really erase these guidelines. And basically that's how you get those shapes. Then you can go in and do details where there's this center line on the feathers. I can go in and darken things up. I kind of rubbed my hand so it's smudged a bit. I can add shadows, and what's nice about feathers, if you're going to add some shading, you have the line already there, so you can just add the shadow on the one side. I want to outline these a little more. Okay, and then just keep going from there. Okay, and it looks like I dragged my hand through that. I should have started top to bottom, huh? Okay, there you go.